How to add progress tracking in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add progress tracking in monday.com. So as you can see, this is my Monday dashboard and I already have my workspace. If you don't have it yet, you can just add item here, and then you can maybe add board. You can click new board or start with template. After that, as you can see, this is my sheet. Let's say I want to add my progress tracking in here. So I will just go to, my right side of the sheet and then click plus icon here to add column. And then I will just add status here first. And then I will add more like this, maybe three. And after that, I'm gonna add progress tracking here. So go to search box here and then search progress, and then you will find progress tracking. You can click it and it will be added to your sheet. As you can see, this is my progress tracking. So we're gonna settings it, you can edit it, click three dots here and then settings and click customize progress tracking. And this is the status. So let's say I just want to add status, this one, status one and status two. So I'm gonna, uncheck it and then show only status one and status two. And then I will just distribute equally, or you can also, edit it. It's up to you, maybe 25 and other, but yeah, let's say I will just distribute weight equally and then click save. So as you can see, this is my progress. Progress is 0%. So let's say I will change it. So let's say it's done and it will add, the percentage. Let's say this is stuck, this is, you know, working on it, this is done. So as you can see, if there is the status done, it will be, 67%. And I'm gonna add like this, and as you can see, and let's say I'm gonna set it all done. So it's gonna be 100%. And in the status one, status three, in the bottom, there is the, the percentage also, as you can see, this one. And at the end also, there is, main percentage, the percentage all of it, let's say like this. I'm gonna change all it. I'm gonna change it. And yeah, so this is the percentage. Yeah, and then you can also add another column like this, maybe just for example, and then you can click contribute equally and save, and the progress will also change. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.